Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm here with Lena Biosciences. Today we're going to talk about our product, the PerfusionPal. The PerfusionPal is a universal organ-on-a-chip insert system that enables continuous perfusion of 12 statistically independent cultures with just one tube. First, attach one end of the tube to the PerfusionPal tray, the item that looks like a multi-well plate, and attach the lower fitting. Attach the other end of that tube to the lower fitting on a 60 ml syringe. Then place the syringe into the syringe pump. The system is now ready to be primed. Priming the system basically equates to getting the air out of the syringe and preparing it to pump smoothly. To do this, add 50 ml of sterilized blood substitute to the PerfusionPal tray and then place the lid on the tray with the multi-well insert. On the syringe pump settings, you'll see a place where you can select your syringe. If the syringe is not correct, you can click on it and then search for the proper syringe. Today we are using a BD plastic 60 ml syringe, so that is what we will choose. Set the syringe pump to withdraw a volume of 20 ml at a rate of 1 ml per minute. While this is much faster than what you would use during cell culture, it is not fast enough to cause bubble formation. Once the 20 ml has been withdrawn from the tray into the syringe, remove the syringe and hold it upwards, with the lower fitting tip facing the ceiling. Tap to dislodge small bubbles at the tip of the plunger, and then slowly press the plunger to ensure all the accumulated air in the tubing has been removed. You want to continue pressing the plunger until there's only 5 ml left into the syringe. If you had to push further than 5 ml to remove all of the bubbles in the tubing, you can then use the syringe pump to withdraw again at a rate of 1 ml per minute until you get 5 ml of blood substitute in the syringe. Once the step is done, you can put the syringe back into the syringe pump and tighten the fittings. Make sure that the syringe pump is very secure. Now you're ready to prep the cell culture portion. Seed your cells into the Seed Easy scaffolds that come with your PerfusionPal system. See our other instructional video on Seed Easy for assistance with the seeding process. Add 750 microliters of medium into each well. To place the scaffolds into the PerfusionPal system, use forceps to transfer the seeded scaffolds to the wells. Place one scaffold into each well, lowering it onto the medium surface at a slight angle, allowing air to escape as the scaffold is lowered. You can then use the seating insert in your starter system to ensure all scaffolds are in the right location. This is done by adding scaffolds to each well and placing the seating insert on top like a lid. Now that everything is in place with the PerfusionPal system, you can cover with the lid and place it into the incubator. Make sure that the syringe pump is at approximately the same level as where the plate is in the incubator. There is a metal sheath along the tubing for the PerfusionPal system. This sheath is supposed to go in between the incubator's inner door and the gasket, preventing the door from causing the tubing to be crushed. To reach the home page for the syringe pump, press the stop button a few times. Make sure to click the multi-step syringe button in order to set up the PerfusionPal. With the multi-step setup, you'll see a step 1 and a step 2. On the setup page, under Loop All, press 2 zeros in order to make an infinity sign. Set the flow rate to your desired flow rate. Our recommended rate is 28 microliters per minute, which results in 2 complete perfusion strokes in 24 hours. Then set the target volume for 10 ml. Duplicate this for step 2, then press start to start perfusing. When you want to change your medium for your cells, perform a half medium change as you would typically do. Then proceed with the rest of your experiment as you would typically do and see how PerfusionPal can affect your lab. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, you can contact us at info@lenabio.com or visit our website at www.lenabio.com.